This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Gartrell. Stunning brick, stone and hard plank custom-built 5-bedroom, 3-bath home located on almost half an acre cul-de-sac lot in highly sought-after Prince George Estates. Open floor plan is perfect for entertaining. Large kitchen with granite tops, stainless appliances include gas stove, and the breakfast area is open to the family room with gas fireplace. First floor bedroom and full bath. Primary suite with soaking tub, large walk-in shower, dual vanities, and oversized walk-in closet. Spacious bedrooms throughout. Finished room over garage serves as the 5th bedroom or playroom and offers access to separate bonus room. Laundry room with sink on 2nd floor for convenience. Huge fenced backyard, covered porch, in-ground sprinkler system, generator. Beautiful exterior lighting and security system are just a few of the extras of this beauty. For more information, review the details below.